Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the MiniFig Club. And I'm excited because I should have my last stamp in here. When you fill out this postcard, you mail it in, and then you get some kind of prize. Don't know what it is, and I couldn't find anything online. So tune in for next month. Hopefully I'll have it by then. I'm going to mail this out tomorrow. So very cool. In this subscription, you get a magnet every month. Oh, cool. So I wonder if we got a little dinosaur as a piece. Let the world hear you roar bookmark. Very cute. Also get a postcard. Here's another new card to start. There's always like different challenges and stuff on there. Their Facebook group. Then you also get a sticker. And then the fun stuff, all your pieces. So this is the piece of the month. They always put it in a gold foil. And if I had to guess, it's probably a little tiny dinosaur because it normally goes along with the theme. So let's see. No, it's binoculars. I was hoping we'd get a little dinosaur. That would be cool. We put that back in there. I let my son go through them when he gets home. That way it's like him opening it for the first time. But here are the pieces for the minifigures. Get enough to make 3 full minifigures, and then you have a couple pieces left over. So here's like a female business suit. This is a little sweater piece. We collect minifigures. And this is official Lego pieces. Here's some little workout pants for a lady. Those bottoms. These bottoms. And these. Also have another sweater chest piece. And then a few faces. So we have an angry woman. She has 2 different faces. They're both a little angry looking. Then a man with some stubble, mustache, and sunglasses. And then this little guy. Also get random accessories. Normally weapons, hats, all sorts of stuff. So we have a little steering wheel, top of a flag, a push broom, a yellow basket, a hat. Oh, this is cute, a little handbag, purse, whatever you want to call it. I have a daughter now, so we give her all the girl stuff. A little pie, this black helmet, a white helmet, and then handcuffs. So very cool. This is one of our favorite little subscriptions because not all of them are official Lego pieces, but this one is. So if you guys want to join, I'll put all the information below, and stay tuned if you want to see what my little freebie is for this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.